Dear children, I welcoming you all to Standard 5 SST class. Hope you all are get ready with your SST book. If you not, so please get ready with your book and kindly open chapter 5 and page number 33. Okay. So today I am going to teach you chapter 5, desert climate, Saudi Arabia. Okay, so let's start the chapter. Deserts are the dry and hot regions of the world. We all know that deserts are the dry and hot regions of the world. They cover about a seventh of the earth's land area. Most hot deserts are located on the western sides of the continents. The Sahara, situated in the African continent, is the largest desert in the world. The Arabian Peninsula in the southwest of Asia is a hot desert region. The Tropic of Cancer passes through it. So children, next we will see location. The Asian countries which are nearer to Europe are called the Middle East countries. They are a group of small and big countries. Saudi Arabia is the most important country of the Middle East. So which is the most important country of the Middle East? Saudi Arabia. Underline children. It is surrounded by seas on all three sides. Its neighboring countries are Jordan, Iraq and Kuwait in the north. The Arabian Sea, Oman and Yemen in the south. The Persian Gulf, Bahrain and the United Arab Emirates UAE in the east and the Red Sea in the west. Next we will see land surface. Most of Saudi Arabia is a high rocky plateau. The vast desert occupies this region. The land is dry and barren. It is sandy desert land broken by rocky hills. Strong winds blow throughout the year. There are no rivers and lakes. The region is dotted with hills of sand called sand dunes. The strong winds shift the land dunes from one place to the other. An oasis is the place in the desert where some water can be found. It is an area where there is a, see children, oasis picture, and here how the sand dunes are look. So turn the page. Permanent spring and underground water. The soil is fertile here. There are date palms and other desert plants around the oasis. Saudi Arabia can be divided into 5 regions. What are that? We will see one by one. Number 1, the Western Highlands. 2, the Central Plateau. 3, the Northern Deserts. 4, the Rub al Khali, and 5, the Eastern lowlands. The Western Highlands are mountains lying close to the Red Sea. The northern part of this region is called Hijaz and the southern part is called Asir. The land is uneven and eroded in this region. The mountains of Hijaz and Asir slope eastward towards a large region. where the surface is more or less even. This region is called the Central Plateau. In the north of the Central Plateau is the Northern Desert. Nifert, which is a vast area of sand dunes. The southern part of the Saudi Arabia consists of the huge sandy deserts. The Rub al Khali, the eastern lowlands, which are called the Eastern Province, lie along the Persian Gulf. They contain the world's largest known deposits of petroleum. So next we'll see climate. The climate is extremely hot and dry. There is hardly any rainfall. The sun shines directly over the area. It is a harsh climate which is not suitable for comfortable living. So this climate is not suitable, not good, and for not comfortable living. The summer season is from May to September. The summer season is from May to September. The temperature is very high during the day. The nights are cool, and the nights are cool. Winter is from October to April, and during winter the days are warm and the nights are very cold. The region hardly get any rainfall. Common feature of all seasons is the dust storms. They are sudden and make the sun hazy. Coastal regions enjoy pleasant climate as they are close to the sea. A few hill stations like Ava in cool in summer. Like Ava are cool in summer. Next we'll see vegetation. The land is dry with scanty rainfall, so there is hardly any vegetation in the areas. The plants that can withstand hot and dry conditions grow in such areas. The roots of such plants are long and go deep into the earth in search of water. Cacti is the common plant grown here. Its leaves are reduced thorns. An oasis is a fertile area with some vegetation. Some villages and cities have developed around the oasis because people can grow crops, wheat, barley, fruits and vegetables are grown here. Dates and palm trees are the most popular ones in this area. The date palms are the sweet and nutrient food of people living here. Its leaves and wood are used to make baskets, mats and toys. So next we'll see animal life. About animal life. The region does not consist of much animal life. Varieties of insects, spiders, reptiles, birds and mammals are found here. These animals avoid the midday heat and hunt for food during nights. Camels are the useful animals of the deserts. They are called the sheep of the desert. Camels can walk on the burning hot sand. They can live without water for a number of days. They help the people in carrying heavy loads from one place to other. Hunting has threatened the wildlife of the region. Okay children, this much enough for today. You read this chapter and write down the important things in the SST copy. A rest of this part we will discuss in my next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.